Hello everyone, welcome to Manu Law classes. My name is Rahul and we are going to start set theory based DI. And again, set theory based DI is very important for common law admission test CLAT students who are especially preparing for data interpretation. Right. So exam is very near, 3 months to go. In December it will be. So you have to clear with the basics of data interpretation. Right. And in that data interpretation, set theory is a very important part. So let's understand the basic of set theory. If I come to the basic of set theory, क्या क्या समझते हैं? सेट थ्योरी में यूनियन एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. आप स्कूल टाइम में आपने पढ़ा होगा यूनियन क्या होता है, राइट? यूनियन क्या होता है कि कभी भी मान लेते हैं दो सर्कल या दो डोमेन की बात हो रही है. व्हाट डज डोमेन मींस? लेट्स सपोज दैट दिस ए डोमेन is for cricket, right? And the B domain is for hockey. And there are players, correct? In cricket, just assume there are 20 players. In hockey, I'm assuming that there should be 30 players, correct? So, if you will see this domain, right? The hockey player are 30 and the cricket player are 20. If I talk about union, so union means the number of players are playing cricket, hockey and both. Correct? What does union means? It means there the person are playing cricket is defined, but they might play hockey also, that's not defined. Getting the point? So here again the basic concept of union is A union B is a set of all values that are member of A or B. Correct? It means suppose it says there are 5 students who play both. 5 players, sorry, not 5 students, 5 players. Again, if 5 players play both, so here the cricket is total 20 minus 5, 15 players play only cricket. Correct? Similarly here, 5 players play both. So hockey plays 30. So only hockey is 25. So again the union defined, the total number of players are 15 plus 5 20, right, plus 25, that is 45. Again the union means the number of players or number of object or number of article present in this circle, this and this. Getting the point? Similarly, talking about the intersection, what I said, 5 players play both, that's the intersection part, means they will be common in both. Now coming to the differences, this only is the differences. Alright, again these are the symmetric differences, it means you have to exclude the common part. It's a basic structure what we have studied here. Now let's come to some good point. Question number 1 says, so in a survey of 600 people, 60 like coffee, 50 like tea, while 30 like both tea and coffee. So see here, in a survey of 100 people, so their total 100 people are present, right? So again what we have to do, we have to write the domain here, 100 people have given, and in the 60 like coffee, so this domain for coffee, right? And these are 60, correct? And this is for tea and these are 50, correct? 30 like both, so again it is common here. The question is we have to define all the values. Means if I ask you a basic structure, 100 people are there, 60 like coffee, 50 like tea, 30 likes both. Again only coffee is what? Only coffee. How many people only coffee? 60 total coffee and minus 30, only like coffee are 30. Again here total 50, only like tea is what? Only tea. 50 minus 30, that is 20. Getting the point? That's the basic thing, right? We have to get clear with this concept. Now moving to the next concept, right? In a survey of 50 children, where each child likes at least one of the two programs, 35 like Chhota Bhim, while 20 like Doraemon, Find the number of students who only like Chhota Bhim. Again, let's understand this. There are total 50 children. It's given that. Again, if total 50 children, each child likes at least one. So again, if I understand this circle, it is given that 35 like Chhota Bhim, right? And this is 35. 20 like Doraemon. And this is 20. Correct? Now, we don't have information about this intersection part. How many of them like boats? Correct? So, how to find? Here there is no clue. So, again, formula will help. The basic standard formula we have done in schools. Just remember this. How to do? Again, A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So again, put this formula. We have the information about A union B. A union B का information क्या है? 50 लोग हैं, ठीक है? NA मतलब छोटा बीम कितने हैं? 35 प्लस NB डोरेमोन कितने हैं? 20 माइनस A इंटरसेक्शन B की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ये कितना आएगा? 35 plus 20 that is 55. Alright, minus A intersection B and this is 50. Again, you'll let intersection 55 minus 50, that intersection value is coming 5. Correct? Now, only Chhota Bhim is what? 35 minus 5, that is 30. 20 minus 5, that is 15. Only Doraemon, that is 15. Now, the question is, find the number of students who only like Chhota Bhim. Only like Chhota Bhim is 30. Getting the point? Any doubt you have on this part? I hope these concepts will help you to get clear your all the concept whatever you have studied, and the basic will be put of the basic of set theory will be starting from here only, and my next question is also very important, so you have to watch it, right? And please like and comment to our channels so that we can put more lectures which will be very beneficial for you. Thank you so much.